Hi Virgos, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your monthly prediction for the month of January 2021. Okay, so first of all, Happy New Year to all of you, to all of my Virgos. And let's see what are the guidance messages for you in this month. Okay, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. And this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. All right, let's see now. So to book a personal reading by me, you can also DM me or message me in my Facebook or Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. And you can also just click on the link for both of my accounts, which is given in the description box below. Okay, let's see. All right, so this is going to be a love reading for my Virgos and their person for the month of January 2021. What's there for my Virgos and their person for January 2021, please? Okay, one more shuffle. One more. All right. All right, now. So at the back of the deck, we have Two of Cups and Hierophant. All right, so this is a very beautiful, it gives me a vibe of a marriage coming up in January 2021. Somebody is getting married to their soulmate. Yes, this is the perfect time for marriage for my Virgos. This is for some of you only. This is not for everyone, but quite a possibility. And if you are connected, if you feel that this is your person with Two of Cups and the Hierophant, I feel that it's an indication of a very good and healthy relationship. Okay, a very beautiful marriage card, I would say. All right, so let's see what's the message for the other people. So this is for some of you only. All right, so with the Four of Pentacles over here, in your part, I'm seeing that you have a feeling, you have a very beautiful feeling for your person, because you see them as the Nine of Cups over here. Okay, so well, when you are seeing them, you feel very happy that they are happy, but at the same time you are holding your feelings because they are into something else. Your partner, your person is in something else. This might be somebody who is more into themselves, more into a career oriented person you might be dealing with, who is very much into themselves, who just love to be loved by themselves. You know what I mean? It is more about self-love, and it's really good. You are happy for that, but that is why you are holding the feelings, so that you might be feeling that I shouldn't, if I will tell them what I'm feeling, what thinking I have for them, they might say no for that. So that is why it's looking to me as a no from your side, that I shouldn't just do anything. Your feeling is there, but you are not letting that feeling come out. See, this is King of Swords. You have those feelings inside you, but you are not ready to just let those feelings show them. Yeah, let's see what else. Page of Wands. See, you feel that this is the person. They make you energetic. When they come, it's like, wow, a kind of a spark in you. You feel like that. But it's like, no, I cannot tell them. What if I will tell them my feelings, and what will happen if they will say no to that? So you are quite not very positive in that feeling. So what do you feel with your person? That what do they feel about you? Let's see. Okay, see, Two of Cups and Six of Cups. This might be a past person with whom you are dealing. So, well, Two of Cups has come twice. So, this is a very good indication of a soulmate over here. A person from your past. So, you are interacting with someone. An ex could be somebody who you met in childhood, and all of a sudden they just erupted out of nowhere. And it's like a gratitude of wish fulfilling kind of a thing. They feel that thing. Okay, so if you are feeling that they might be into their own work, they might be not even thinking about you, so that's wrong, Virgos. I don't feel so. It's looking like, to me, it's looking like they're already thinking about you as well, in fact more than you. Okay, let me check. All right, just a second. Well, why the Seven of Pentacles is here in the blockage card? Let me check. All right. What else? Okay. Okay. So yes, I got it. So what it actually is, it's like it's been many years you haven't even connected with each other. It was like you never talked about, this is more about some kind of childhood friend coming up in your life, and you were like in a very you both were growing, you both were in school, then colleges, then you are working now. Then all of a sudden this person erupted in your life, and you both are in your career zones, and that is why you don't want to interrupt yours as well as their career. So, well, you might feel that because of this competition growing up in your life, in your work life, in your office life. So that is why you don't feel like, what, I really have to work, I really have to focus in this particular thing in my office, because if I will enter in this love and everything, I might just lose my interest in my work, in my career. So this is why you are not going towards that thing. But you both talk. I really see some kind of messages erupting, messages popping up in yours and their phone, and you both even talk at nights to each other. It's a feeling of, a feeling where both of you have that kind of feeling, but no one is telling anyone. Each of you is thinking that this person might say something, you might say something. This is that feeling. All right, so let's see why the Strength is here. So this is about what actions are my Virgos going to take. I feel that, let's see. Okay, Empress, it just popped up here as well. Are you going to take any action? You're waiting for something, Virgos. What it is? What is it? Because since three major arcanas are here, Strength, Empress and Tower, I see that you are waiting for something. You are waiting for the perfect timing, because you don't want to end the stuff, because this is something you have built from childhood, and all of a sudden you do not want to end it just by telling your feelings to your person. So that is why you are gaining strength. You are becoming like, okay, let me just gain some strength, let me just have a good meal. Okay, so I don't know what it is, but you are really not going to risk it. This might be even, you might have even had a relationship, some kind of a small interaction, a spark between each of you some time ago, and all of a sudden you just broke up with each other. You got separated without any reason. So that is why you are not ready to take this risk again with this person of yours. And what's your person? I don't feel that. See, with the Knight of Pentacles, I don't see them going away. Okay, this card always reminds me of somebody coming back again and again. So they also feel that you are going to, if nothing happens again, but you are not going to go away from their life just like that. Okay, so very strong positive. They're very, very positive in the situation with you. Let's see, what are the actions? Are they going to take any action in regards with relationship? Seven of Swords. Hermit, I don't feel so. Why the Seven of Swords is here? It is not giving me good vibe. Why the Seven of Swords is here? Okay, Four of Cups, yes. So, alright, so the truth is out, my dear Virgos. What happened? Somebody left someone without even telling it. Either it's you or it's them. Somebody just went away, and still there is that sadness in them. I see they're talking to you, but still they have something inside them. They are still quiet about that past incident. If this thing happened, so just be ready to, because they will erupt. Okay, sometime they will erupt about it, and if it's you, you may erupt again. Okay, so this is somebody who is feeling betrayed because of some past incident before. Let's see why the King of Cups is here in the overall outcome. Okay, so I see some clarity with the King of Cups and Ace of, wow. So this is something which I actually needed in this reading, because this is so much of spark between each of you, and because of some past incidents, past bad incidents, you just went away from each other. But now I'm seeing some clarity coming up, and you both are even talking, you both are clearing your stuff, and you both are even going towards some kind of a beautiful relationship, I'm seeing. So wow, all the best, Virgos, for that. Okay, so let's just pick one card for you from the Answers from Heaven. This is by Jenny Ratani. All right, so let's see what is the message for my Virgos. Let's see. Alright, what's there for my Virgos, please? One card, one message from the universe for my Virgos. Okay, I'll take this card. I have sent an important message which you will deliver to the world soon. Okay, so I think this is that message, the messages which you are doing. This might be that message. So something is there. Okay, so I just think that you should be aware of the signs from the universe. Universe is sending you some signs, some message. So you have to just read that message, whatever clarity, whatever message, whatever hints you are getting. Okay, so just look for that. All right, so that is all from my side, Virgos. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.